now to put it in effect right now. This is the top of the fiscal year. What better time than to pop off? You know what I mean? The energy is brand new. It's a new energy. We're in the summer season. We're in the winter seasons. This is like buckle down. This is the time, the next 3 months, to whereas you plant your seeds and whatnot. So by the time the spring comes, the real New Year's, we are ready to pop out with our products and our services and whatnot. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be the one that's gonna open up the class tonight. And what I'll be doing is I'm gonna be doing a rundown to what it is that we're gonna be expecting out of today's workshop. Like I've said earlier, this is one of four. We're doing a 4-week accelerating program. It's going to involve homework, and I know that the family in the building, y'all are not offended by anything like that, because of course we want to make this very interactive, but we also want to make it hands-on. We just don't want to be talking. We want to make sure that everybody is going to get everything that they put into it and whatnot, so you can walk away with some confidence that you can master the tools that are available. Because I promise you, it's not as difficult as it seems. It just needs structure. Okay, and that's what we'll be bringing in the next 4 weeks. Spin, do you want to talk to them and let them know some things?
Yes, indeed, family. Yes, indeed. Okay, so when it comes to the 4-week masterclass, I do want everybody to take time on the classes, especially when it comes to my section, because I'm going super hands-on. Like, if anybody read my book, A Quick History, I started this journey working for Shopify. You know me, up under Chris Record and Billy Jean is marketing. Okay, so that's where I came from. I will be teaching you how to master a Shopify. I can, Billy Jean also partner with Go High Level. I can teach you those two things, but I feel like Go High Level is for advanced students, and Shopify. I mean, we can get this Shopify. You can make money tonight after the class. I'm dead at. I'll show you where to put your domain. We about to go over how to create these pages, create this site, some type of landing page, whatever your offer is. I will be helping you craft the offer using AI. Everything that we're doing comes with AI, right? Okay. Oh, content creation and digital foundation plus AI. Target marketing and finding our avatar of an audience plus AI and AI automation. So go to your replays, join the discords, catch me. If you catch me and you got a little Q&A, if we can go side by side and look at your site. I'm really, really fluent with the back end of a couple of digital platforms that'll help you. You can just start with, you could pop up a whole new Shopify if you want to, just to have that link, you know what I mean, to a bank account and start to get some ends. Now, I'm not a business coach. I'm a foundational person. You know what I mean? I can't tell you about LLCs, S corps, and stuff like that. Like I've told people plenty of times before, I'm not a business guy. I know how to build foundation. Other people handle my businesses. See, get your CFO, CMO, get those people. I'm a foundational. I'm a builder. I'm a creator. I'll show you how to do the pages, et cetera, et cetera. So I do want you to be hands-on. And my end of the homework, you have to do it. We would really love if you do it, because if you come out with week one, you got a link. You got a link to your offer. You have a link to your offer. In order to participate in week 2, you're going to have to bring that week 1 offer over. And then week 2, when you find your target audience, now you got a link to your offer plus target audience that you know how to speak to. So, okay, now I can get some money back. Now we're going to implement AI strategies to help you automate what's going on here, et cetera, et cetera. So I do like y'all to follow on as hands-on as possible. Even if you are on the job, go ahead and get on these replays and knock out the homeworks, please. Please.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Good brother, do you mind sharing the PDF for me?
Okay. Let me get this charger right.
No problem.
go ahead and moderate for you, G.
And before I start running my mouth, I want to ask if there's anybody in the audience with any question, comments, or concerns. You could either unmute the mic or you could dial it, you could type it or text it in the messages, and we'll be able to read it out loud. I did share the link for the Discord. It's a private Discord. It's for all of us. I have it set up as a voice chat. And what that is similar to what we're seeing right now, where in the Discord, you could share your screen. I could have a watch party. So like I could watch YouTube videos with everybody and then we could break it down. I could share the screen like this. It's like voice. You can hear the voice rather than it just being like text and links and stuff like that. It's more personable like that with the Discord. So let's say that we have this live on Tuesday. We'll be linking up before the next Tuesday on Discord. So you'll see us before the next. We're not just going to be ghosting whatnot. You'll be able to see us, between the 7 days and whatnot. We'll let you know, look, we'll be live at this time on this day, pull up, and then we could chop it up and whatnot. All right. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is just a breakdown of what to expect in week 1, okay? And I'm going to walk you through it.